For over a century, sports afield has stood for more than just the pursuit. It's a symbol of the land, the lifestyle, and the legacy of the outdoors. Today, that tradition lives on through a network of outdoorsmen, land brokers that live and sell the outdoor lifestyle. We know the value in a stand of timber, the benefits of productive soil, and how wildlife can thrive on a well-managed farm. It all begins afield, where traditions are passed on and the land is the legacy.
Alright, here we are. It's Barrett's first morning of turkey season, youth season 2025 here in Missouri. And we got set up down here at the river bottom. And we're right in the heart of it where we got birds on the front. And we got birds behind us too. So I think we're in the right spot. We got a little strutter Jake out there with the hen. And we're going to see how it works. But boy, they heard this thing hammering this morning. So, got the, it's about ready to get real western here real quick, like. Let's go. They're literally right across the river behind us, so they're close. And then we got another 2 or 3 across the field, back on that ridge up by the county roads. We're really in it. It's exciting. Fastest turkey hunt in the world. Oh my gosh, watch this. Barrett. Good shot, buddy. Oh my, that's the fastest hunt in the world, Barrett. That was so fast. It's 6:25. Barrett, what happened?
I saw the donkey.
Oh my gosh. They just landed right in our lap. Look at all these turkeys out here. Barrett, Michael, buddy, I'm so proud. That's so excited. Alright, here we go. There was 13 birds. 13 birds roosted behind us. Actually, I take that back. 10 birds roosted behind us. 3 birds roosted across the field. And they just flew in and landed in our lap. And put the smack down. Oh, you just got a big turkey, buddy.
I'm all big on yours.
Oh, it's a big turkey, yeah. It's a good bird.
right, here we are, opening day of youth season 2025. Barrett put the smack down on a big old bird right first thing in the morning here this morning. Birds just everywhere down here. Just a phenomenal morning here in Missouri. What do you think, Barrett?
Good.
Landed right on our lap. Took about 10 steps to the decoy, and Barrett put the smack down on him. So we've been practicing with that 410 with the TSS, and it did a number on him.